Okay, let's look at the homework 2.4, 2.5, number 10. Right, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line to the graph of this g of x at x equals 0. Right, so let's do that. Right, so as usual, we are looking for two things. Right, first, point. Right, which is given. So x1 comma y1 is equal to, right, 0 comma negative 6. Right. Second piece of information is the slope. Right, so m. Right, so this can be found by taking a derivative of the function, so g prime, then plug in the x1 value. Right, so let's do that. Right, first we have to take the derivative, so let's find g prime of x. Right, so you can see that this is a product of two things. First guy is quantity x plus 2, and the second guy is x minus 3 over x plus 1. Right, so let's apply the product rule, and inside the product rule we're going to have to do a quotient rule as well. Right, take the derivative of the first guy, which is going to be 1, times the second guy, which is x minus 3 over x plus 1. Right, plus, right, first guy is quantity x plus 2. Then you have to multiply by derivative of the second guy. So in order to find the derivative, we're going to have to use a quotient rule. Right, square the bottom at quantity x plus 1 squared. Derivative of the top is 1 times quantity x plus 1 minus top x minus 3 multiplied by derivative of the denominator, which is 1. Right, so clean up a little bit. You can see that, let's see here, first term, 1 really doesn't do anything, multiply by 1, so you're going to get just x minus 3 over x plus 1. Right, and here you 1 doesn't do anything, so I'll just ignore those, and you can see that there's a x minus x, so you can cancel those x's. Right, then you have 1 minus negative 3 combined together, that will give you 4. Right, so you have 4, then you have quantity x plus 2 over, and the denominator is just x plus 1 squared. Right, and this is simple enough. So all we need is evaluate this function at x equals 0. So let's plug in 0. Right, if you plug in 0 in here, you will have 0 minus 3 over 0 plus 1 plus 4 times quantity 0 plus 2 over 0 plus 1 squared. Right, so if you simplify that, let's say you have negative 3 over 1, so that's definitely negative 3. Right, here is going to be 4 times 2, 8 over 1 squared, so 8 over 1, so it's going to be plus 8. So which means that the slope is 5. All right, so by point slope form, we can have equation. So equation is going to be y minus y1, which is actually, since let's not do this, since this is actually a y-intercept right here, right? So we can use a slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to m, which is 5x plus b. b is -6, so -6, right? So y equals 5x minus 6 is the equation of the tangent line. All right, so let's type that in. All right, go back to here. All right, so y equals 5x minus 6. All right, so we need to sketch the graph as well. So let's do that. So open up a GeoGebra. All right, open up GeoGebra. All right, so type in the function. All right, y equals, all right, quantity x plus 2 times quantity, what was it, x minus 3, right, and divided by x plus 1, right? So we have that, and hit enter, right? So we have a graph, and tangent line is y equals 5x minus 6, then hit enter. All right, so we have the graph. All right, let's choose the correct graph. All right, so open up. All right, so which one was it? Looks like, is this the one? All right, let's see. Let's open up GeoGebra to compare. All right, that looks like it. All right, and let's check the other one too. All right, this is not it, and that's not it, that's not it. So the correct one is this, right? The last two, you can see that the blue lines are not even tangent lines, so they can't be right. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back. We got the right equation for the tangent line, and the graph is also correct. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.